question. What? It's okay. The vocab in this chapter is pretty easy. So we know vacation. Stay home, and relax, or resort, just fingerspell. Now, the sign for hotel is this. It's like a little banner on a flagpole. So hotel, resort, cruise. Again, fingerspell cabin. You could say woods, little house in the woods, right? Camping. We saw this before where it's the I guess the skeleton of a tent, right? Camping. Now, amusement park, carnival, fair, as you'll see this for a carnival most of the time, because remember one of the most exciting things at a carnival is the Ferris wheel, right? Some little dinky Ferris wheel, as opposed to a amusement park. You'll see amusement park. This is sort of enjoyable park. You'll see them both. I think regionally it depends on where you are. Fair or festival, 2 X's. Circus, because here's a ring, here's a ring, here's a ring, like 3-ring circus. Now, water park, water area, amusement area, roller coaster area, those all apply. So definitely look at the what's the sign. So we'll talk about stuff in class. But here is, I'm going to include the video of the thing. But I want you to start to tick away at the ones. Make sure you're reviewing these kind of lists, because they're now going to start coming up more often. And anything that's showed up, they can put in any of the quizzes. So just be aware of that. I'll do a separate one for those things. So I think that's really, there's not that much in the way of new information or new grammatical structures. The only one that really stands out is the rhetorical question that I started. And it can be any WH question that pops up depending on the situation. In this case, talking about something, why? Because of this, or why this happened, right? So we use a rhetorical question a lot. Went to the store, bought what? Eggs, milk, bread, and bacon. Okay. So I've bought what? So the easiest way to think about it is a rhetorical question is a question that you ask with the full intention of answering yourself. And a rhetorical question always looks like a yes-no question because you're bringing up a topic. What? It's not like, what? Because if I do this, then I'm expecting an answer from the person I'm talking to. All right. And then the signing camps. You'll see some people do camps. For these, they're more like a summer camp, CAMP. And CODA, you see the explanation in the English paragraph below, but kids of deaf adults, or CODA, you'll see that as well for children of deaf adults. But there are lots of organizations that have summer camps, and we'll talk about some of them in class. All right, so that's the lecture. Pretty short and sweet. I'll do the vocab and then the